Alright, so in terms of P&L, it was a red day. But in terms of following my plan, my rules, it was a green day in my opinion. Right? I lost about 1,000, just gonna round it up, right? I lost 1,000 today because I took two trades, but I had good reasons for taking those trades, so I'm not really mad. I don't. It is what it is. I don't really care. Like I'm just here to trade, you know. Shouldn't get too emotional when trading, right? And that's how I am. I don't really get emotional when I'm trading. As long as I had good reasons, as long as I had good reasons for taking a trade, then that's what matters to me, right? So today was Thursday, November 14th. We had PPI 8:30, but I didn't care about that because I trade when the market opens at 9:30, right? So coming into the market, what I was looking at, I was looking at this on the hourly. I was looking at this high right here because maybe it could be like a manipulation there or this high, right? And then I was looking at these lows right here, right? So what we ended up doing, we ended up sweeping London low or both indices, right? And I wasn't really looking for SMT because at the time I entered, we were inside of a macro, so I was like, okay, like we both of them swept London low, and we're inside of a macro, and on top of that, we had displacement on both of them, right? Had the market structure shift on NQ, right? Let the fair value gap. So what I did was I entered off this fair value gap right here on NQ. I put my stop like right here, right? Because I only like to risk 25 points, right? My TP one was gonna be this 930 high right here, and then my second and final TP was gonna be the London high. I forgot where it was. I think it was this. Yeah, it's gonna be the London high right here. That's gonna be my second and final TP, right? But what happened was we were inside of a macro, so I had good reasons for taking a trade. It's just ended up being a loss, right? So swept London low, market structure shift, classic 2022 model, market structure shift, right? Displacement, fair value gap entry. I entered. I think it was in within 30 seconds I got stopped up, right? But I was like, all right, it's okay, it's whatever happens, right? So then after that happened, I was waiting because I seen we still had a previous day low right here, had previous day low, and then we had this low right here, right? So what NQ did, there was an SMT at the previous day low and this low right here, right? So NQ it swept previous day low and it swept this low right here. ES fails to do that, so that's a bullish SMT, right? So I see now we got the bullish SMT, and all I'm waiting for is like confirmation on the lower time frame, right? So on the lower time frame, I dropped down to the 1 minute. I seen me inverse this fair value gap, but I wanted to see a market structure shift above this high right here, right? Before I like actually look for entry, right? So we got the market structure shift, right? And I want to enter off this breaker. This breaker right here, it was a 1 minute breaker, and then on the 5 minute chart, it was also a 5 minute breaker, right? So I was like, okay, that's probably gonna be a pretty strong breaker, right? So price went up. We finally got the market structure shift. I think we also in the no. When I entered, we were in the 1050 to 1110 macro, right? We got the market structure shift. Price came down into that breaker. I entered, and same targets. No, actually not same targets. My first TP one is gonna be this high, right? Low hanging fruit, and then my second final TP was gonna be the London high. Alright, so you put that right there, right? But same thing happened. I entered, and then about 3 minutes later, I got stopped out because I put my stop right below the breaker right there. Right, I got stopped out within 3 minutes of being in the trade, and then yeah, it's just doing what it's doing right now. So down in for the 50K funded, I'm down 2,000, right? Having taken a winning trade so far, but like I said before, like I had good reasons for taking the trade. I'm not mad at it. Like I follow my plan, I follow my rules. That's all that matters to me, you know. shouldn't get emotional when trading. Like as long as like you had good reasons for taking a trade, and that's what I think I did. I had good reasons for taking a trade, so I'm not mad at it. It's just one of those days where the algorithm just wasn't on my side, so it is what it is. You can't win them all. Like it's like a random sequence of wins and losses. Like as long as you got an edge, you got good psychology, then in my opinion, I feel like you should be good. It's not really nothing to worry about, right? So it is what it is. I'll be alright. It's not the end of the world, right? It's just trading at the end of the day. I had good reasons for taking a trade. I still feel like price might go up after this. If I probably just got stopped out, I feel like it's still gonna go up, but we'll see. We'll see. I'll be back here tomorrow. So yeah, if you guys want to keep seeing videos like these, make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. I'm out.